In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to include opening balances into QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a new account with the correct starting balance, so your reports and bank reconciliations stay accurate from day one. First, once you're logged into QuickBooks Online, look for the settings icon at the top right of your screen. It usually looks like a small gear. Click on that, and from the menu that appears, choose Chart of Accounts. This is the area where all of your accounts live, like bank accounts, credit cards, loans, and other assets and liabilities. Think of it as the master list that keeps your financial information organized. When you're in the chart of accounts, you'll see a list of existing accounts. To add a new one with an opening balance, go to the top right of this page and click the New button. This tells QuickBooks you're creating a brand new account in your books. A setup window will open, asking for details about the account. Start by giving your account a clear, specific name. For example, you might call it checking account, main bank, or business credit card. Use names that will make sense to you later, especially if you have more than one account of the same type. Next, you'll need to choose the correct account type, such as bank, asset, credit card, or another option that fits what this account actually is. This step is important because the account type controls how QuickBooks treats that balance in your financial reports. For example, bank accounts and credit cards appear in different sections of your balance sheet, so take a moment to choose carefully. Now, look for the opening balance field. This is where you enter the starting amount for that account as of the day you begin tracking it in QuickBooks Online. Right beside it, you'll see an A's of date field. Enter the date that balance is accurate for. Often, this will be the day before you start adding regular transactions, like the ending balance on a bank statement. Double-check that both the amount and the date are correct, because this forms the foundation of your account history in QuickBooks. Once everything looks good, click Save. QuickBooks will create the account with the opening balance you entered, and you'll see it added to your chart of accounts, ready for you to start recording transactions going forward.